Aloha and welcome to our channel. You're watching Holoholo Adventures. Today's video, we're going to take you into Waikiki. So Waikiki is famous for that strip called Kalakaua Avenue and of course for their beaches. So today I'm going to show you all how Waikiki looks a couple days after the stay-at-home order has lifted. This is our second amended stay-at-home order, and so this is how Waikiki looks like now. So one thing you will notice is that there are still people out and about. So the people that are out here, primarily you will see locals, and there are a few tourists, only because if they come, they do their 2 weeks and they're still here, they are able to go out and about. But ideally, it is pretty quiet here in Waikiki. So it is early in the morning. A lot of shops are not open yet, but a lot of places actually chose not to reopen. Even though the stay-at-home order has been lifted, a lot of places has chosen not to reopen. A lot of the shops here, as you will see, are offering a lot of discounts to come back and shop. So you will see that there are signs everywhere saying that takeout is available. A lot of places are allowing free parking, which is unheard of here in Waikiki, but it's mainly because there's not much going on here in Waikiki. With all the tourists not here, there's not much going on. If you do plan to come here to Hawaii or any of the other islands, you do need to do a mandatory quarantine of 14 days when you arrive. However, on October 15, you will be able to do a pre-testing, which will come in handy. So if you are tested negative, you will not need to be quarantined when you come out here to Waikiki.
Oahu's reopening strategy is in different tiers. We are currently in Tier 1. So Tier 1 means that essential businesses are allowed. Social gatherings of up to 5 people is okay. In parks, beaches, trails, pools are allowed. Golf courses are allowed. Businesses can open 50% capacity. Indoor malls are allowed. Spiritual services are allowed, 50% capacity. Funerals are allowed, and restaurants of 5 people in the same household is allowed.